Fuck that. Who has 80 friends?
Not many people, but people like Ragnar would be like, "Get on, Star Citizen!" And then you'd be forced to, or else you'd get kicked out of the Legion.
Bullshit. You know people would rather get kicked out than spend $30 on something they probably don't want to do.
Yeah. Alright, what's the second most expensive one?
The one where you fucking eat a dick and die.
The Kraken, Drake Interplanetary. The Drake Kraken is designated as a multi-role light carrier, with comfortable habs for a full crew, mammoth cargo capacity, and enough armament to blow even the most daunting frigate out of the sky. This self-sustaining flying fortress is the most ambitious project the Drake has ever undertaken, and a testament to the empowerment of people. Would you like to know how much this one costs, Dylan?
Apply to this conversation, it says. What?
No, check your requests.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
What does a Hot Pocket sound like?
No, she's like Rubber Soul.
You mean Yellow Temperance?
Yeah.
Dost and I, senpai.
What is going on?
I was probably too. Because I said. Alright, so how young are we talking? How young do you guys need me? You fucking pedos.
As young as you can get.
Jake's like
okay.
pop out of the womb and send me a dick.
Wait, as young as you can get? Is that what you just said, Jake?
Yep.
FBI, open up!
That was beautiful.
Look, man, all I'm saying, Sky, is that whenever you get here, if you don't, like, you know, bring me some pussy, I'm gonna be really mad.
Okay, Sky, I'm actually gonna send you a picture.
I'm scared.
Cause, like, you know, like, I need some form of offering. Bring me the child. No! No, I didn't want to say that!